Dol milay Nobel hulir. Dol milay Nobel hulo ne ye. Desa. Turo banyak fish ye Nobel. Tôi dùng hul Burundi Adamot. Tôi dùng hul Burundi Adamot. Nobel hulyon milay sangma milay. Sangma milay kali tengah Amadon ব্যবসা করতেন ব্যাগ সিয়ং গুরু নুনে ওয়াকে সিয়ং গুরু দোলাগন জ্যাকেটুন Mizoram itu sarah puro iya koron ya. Iron koron ya sarah. Iron guru ya kadang guru aja. No itu guru sana deh. Estorot. Jenis jo.
Jangan bakteri apa?
Bandol unsur sudah tuh na sarah. Company packing ay. Awang or. Dol sangma mili, Nepali mili, mixer mili, Gorhali mili, Mong mili. ব্যবসা করতো না ওর ব্যবসা কাছ মিক্সার মিলে গুণ চাকমা নেপালি হি মিজিলা কন ব্যবসা করতো না ইয়ে তুমি In our Chakma community, women have always been the backbone of the family and society. You can see in this video their courage, honesty and straightforward nature make them truly unique, whether it is working in the fields, running small business, selling handmade products, or taking up any work with dignity. Our Chakma women never hesitate to earn money through honest and simple means. In this video we can see a beautiful Chakma woman just opened a second-hand belt. You can see many women also come forward to buy. These are second-hand belts of girls, jumpers, and selling them. This is a business of straightforward. This is the real spirit of our Chakma women, hardworking, sincere, and fearless. They never sit idle. They take every opportunity really a good business with honesty and turn it into a way to move forward. They are true examples of resilience and empowerment in our society. I really salute from the bottom of my heart to our Chakma women working very hard to support their husband. Very good job.